30-inch gas snowblower assembly guide. Open the packaging and remove all parts. Remove the 4 screws on both sides of the gearbox. Install the center bracket. Ensure the top eyelet bolt is on the left side. Then tighten all 4 screws. Remove the screws on both sides of the center bracket. Pull out the 4 control cables. Attach the handle bracket to the center bracket, and tighten the 4 screws. Connect the 2 left side cables from the gearbox to the left handle assembly. Route the Z-shaped cable through the upper handle and secure it with the provided bolt. Route the cable with a bump through the lower handle. Connect the 2 right side cables from the gearbox using the same method. Secure and organize all cables using cable ties. Remove the 2 screws at the rear of the chute. Install the chute. Remove the screw from the top cover plate on the chute, and remove the plate. Pass the chute directional control rod through the top eyelet on the center bracket. Remove the gearbox shear pin and attach the control rod linkage. Remove the side screw near the gearbox, position the chute, and secure it with the screw. Reinstall the cover plate and tighten its screw. Connect the remaining left side cable to the top adjustment mechanism of the chute. Install the recoil spring. Important: the shorter leg faces down, and the longer leg faces up. Install the shift lever. Connect the end with the spring to the shift control handle. Connect the other end to the gearbox. Connect the wiring harness with the plug connector. Use the pitch control lever to raise the auger housing. Attach the skid shoes. Use the shorter screws at the front and the longer screws at the rear.